Country apple coffee cake recipe. Welcome back to Miss Coffee Baby. Today, we have a delicious treat in store for you, a mouthwatering country apple coffee cake recipe that's perfect for breakfast or dessert. If you're a fan of apples and cinnamon, you're in for a real treat. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our delectable recipes. Let's jump right in and start baking. Ingredients. For the cake: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup sour cream, 2 cups peeled and chopped apples, about 2 medium-sized apples. For the streusel topping: 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, cold and cubed, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9 by 9 inch square baking pan. In a medium-sized bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until light and fluffy, about 2-3 minutes. Add the eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Stir in the vanilla extract. Gradually add the dry flour mixture to the wet ingredients, alternating with the sour cream. Begin and end with the dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. Gently fold in the chopped apples. In a separate small bowl, prepare the streusel topping by combining the flour, granulated sugar, cold cubed butter, and ground cinnamon. Use a fork or pastry cutter to blend the mixture until it resembles coarse crumbs. Spread half of the cake batter into the prepared baking pan. Sprinkle half of the streusel topping evenly over the batter. Add the remaining cake batter over the streusel layer and top with the remaining streusel mixture. Bake in the preheated oven for 45-50 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Allow the coffee cake to cool in the pan for about 15 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Once cooled, you can optionally drizzle a simple powdered sugar glaze over the top for added sweetness. Slice and enjoy your delicious country apple coffee cake. There you have it, our delightful country apple coffee cake recipe. I hope you enjoyed baking and indulging in this scrumptious treat as much as I did. If you tried this recipe at home, let me know how it turned out in the comments below, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to share them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more mouthwatering recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy baking! Country apple coffee cake recipe.
Embrace the luck of the Irish with our St. Patrick's Day mug. This vibrant green mug features a charming tie and hat design, perfect for celebrating the festivities. Adorned with 3 4-leaf clovers, it's a symbol of good fortune. The mug showcases 3 adorable girls dressed in St. Patrick's green and white costumes, adding a touch of whimsy to your morning coffee or tea routine. Raise a toast to St. Patrick's Day with this delightful and festive mug.